stolen within a click. I grab my wooden sword and a stake, a stake, a stake. So I traveled out in the midnight, and all the mobs wanted me. I think I might change to peaceful, no, that makes me a pansy. I see the thing that's stolen, my cake, it was so delish. I put my mad face on, prepare to slap with the fish. Creepers all around and zombies come from the ground. I look at what stole my tree, and oh lordy, I might beat its tall. Dark and got my cake, and I made the mistake of looking at this thing. Oh, I just looked at an Enderman. I find my attention span, I need to stay staring at this thing. I'm sure if I look away, he will just go his way. I also need to go change my pen. If happy ever afters did exist, I would just be eating cake like this. But sadly that Enderman got away. It's time to steal some cake from his domain. That's when I prepared an army made entirely of sheep. Got my ender eyes ready and jumped into the dark deep. There it was, my cake, so I yelled attack for my sheep. That Enderman is now covered in a white coat of fleece. Ender dragon all around, and Endermen come from the ground. I take my cake and run away, but can't find my pathway, so I turn around, ready, prepared to take on that big scaly bird. And then I realize that I provoked all the Endermen. I just can't leave the end. That Ender dragon needs to be slain. But now that I have my cake, I can beat anything, 'cause my cake is really OP. If happy ever afters did exist, I would just be eating cake like this. But sadly I can't get home easily. It's time to kick some ass with my sheep army. Okay, I'm fighting this dragon with everything I got. Gonna punch it in the face with my butt. You know I'm gonna win because I wrote this plot. I want my cake, I want my cake. You can't have my cake. If you want one, learn to bake. I'm sitting here all alone, here in my wooden home, minding my tasty and blocky cake. I surround her with fire, now my sheep army's on the prowl. I think it's time to go have a taste. If happy ever afters did exist, I think that they would simply taste like this. Wait a second, what is that strange hiss? Oh God, no, don't blow up my cake like this.
I spend my days digging in the ground. The funny thing is, it's not square but round. There's not a single thing that is round in sight. I don't think I'm doing it right. Dig a little here, dig a little there. I can't seem to dig a hole that is square. I shouldn't let it bother me and let it be. My holes aren't square and I don't care. Word spread around town about my holes that are round. People gather around to see if it was true. Then my shovel broke and the crowd went ooh. Since then I never dug a hole that was round. Got a new shovel but it digs squares in the ground. It's but a story now I tell. confidently. The proof lies in all the holes around me.
I'll make a cake. I'll make a cake. I'll make a cake. Yeah, I was in the dark. I was fighting hard with just half a heart. I'll make a cake. How did this trip go oh so wrong? I'll make a cake, and now it's clear to me that I need to eat. All I need is weed. I'll make a cake. Yeah, I was hungry for so long. I wish I had then what I have now. I didn't know that you needed a cow. Add some sugar, it makes it so sweet. Mixing the egg and adding the wheat. Hunger's filled tonight. My health's regenerating fine. I'm fighting back tonight. Yeah, my hunger's filled tonight. I made a cake, not eating any meat. I ate up every piece and landed on my feet. I made a cake, need help from no one else. No, I made a cake. Yeah, I can run again from the zombie's den. There's no need to defend, and it's great. The panic's over now, the end. I wish I had then what I have now. I didn't know that you needed a cow. Added sugar, it makes it so sweet. Mixed in the egg and added the wheat. Hunger's filled tonight. My health's regenerating fine. I'm fighting back tonight. Yeah, my hunger's filled tonight. I made a cake. Monsters rumbling, creepers exploding. You can't stop me now. I made a cake. Notch knows I survive 'cause the cake me back. I'm not hungry anymore. I made a cake. I made a cake.